Hello everyone, this is Karan from IIT Delhi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. So finally, last 4 months are left for IIT JAM 2022 examination, and this video is going to be very helpful for all the IIT JAM 2022 aspirants. We will be discussing last 4 months strategy, what you should do in these 4 months and what you should not do in these 4 months. So this video is going to be very helpful. Please share the video as much as you can. Please stay till the end, and if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. So first we will be discussing that what you should do in these 4 months. Okay, I will be discussing the tips, strategies, and taking the reference of chemistry topics. I will be giving you the strategies. You can apply it to other subjects as well. Okay, so first of all, revision you should start. You should start revision by now if you have not started. If you are in just that thought that we will complete the syllabus and then we will start the revision, then please stop. Start taking out time 1 or 2 days in a week to give it to your revision. Okay, take out time, take out 1 or 2 days in a week and give it to the revision. Sorry. If possible, revise daily, small portion of your timetable, keep it for the revision. But if not possible, then please take out 1 day or 2 days in a week for revision. Okay, that's very important, because if you are still in that thought that you will first complete the syllabus, then you will start revising, then automatically 13th February will come very close and then you will not have time for revision. And if you cannot revise, I am telling you right now, you cannot crack the examination. You can write it down somewhere. Okay, now please don't take it in a negative sense. I am advising you for your benefit only, based upon my personal experience. Okay, next is start solving previous year questions. Most of the students actually ignore this part. They don't solve previous year questions. They say that they are very easy, they will not solve JAM previous year questions. Start solving previous year questions. You will get the idea of JAM questions and start solving them in a time bound manner. Not that you're free after having your evening snack, you will start solving 1 or 2 questions. No, have a particular fixed amount of time. I will not say that have 3 hours. Try to have 2 hours of time. Try to fix 2 hours and try to solve the paper in 2 hours, so that in that paper real examination you can solve the paper in 3 hours. Okay, try solving all the papers in your home in 2 hours or 2 hours 30 minutes at the max, so that you can solve the real paper in the hall in 3 hours. Okay, so try solving it in time bound manner. Time unbound manner will not work. Okay, that is without time bound will not work. Okay, now next thing which you should do is start revising short notes of memory based topics. Like there must be so many topics that need so many times of revision, so much of revision. You need to revise it 10 times, like so much of cramming up, so much of learning work. So start revising them again and again in the morning when you wake up, in the late night when you go to sleep. For example, if I take chemistry example, that is bioinorganic. You need to revise as many times as possible. You have to revise it around 7-8 times. So start revising it by now, because it has so much things to learn, so much things to cram, so that you don't face problem in the end. You will be frustrated in the end when you are not able to recall or take it in your mind. Okay, so please start, especially in organic chemistry. There will be some topics in every subject, or formulas or something will be there in every subject which you need to learn, memorize, keep in the memory. So start revising them now. Now it is the time. Don't delay it. Okay, next point I would say, if you are someone whose syllabus is still not completed, then also first thing you have to do is complete your syllabus. Don't get distracted with any books, anything. First thing is complete your syllabus at any cost. If you are someone who has just started, complete major topics, the video of which is also provided in the channel. Then start revising the older things which you have studied. Start solving PYQs and start giving test series. Okay, now next thing which you should do is give test regularly. Please, I really humbly request you, don't ignore test. Don't ignore test series. Start giving tests regularly with preparation and start analyzing them. Don't give tests without analyzing. Okay, so these were some things which you should do in these 4 months. Now coming on to the most important point, what you should not do in these 4 months. The first point is, don't lose your self-confidence. Don't lose your self-confidence. If you are not able to solve any question, don't lose your self-confidence. Okay, I will share my personal experience. I was solving one particular topic. I was feeling like I was not able to solve some of the questions. I was feeling bad. What actually happened? My 1 or 2 days got wasted. So I'm just advising you on my experience. I am someone who is always there to support you at every stage. So I'm advising you real life experiences, that please don't lose your self-confidence. If you're able to solve your question, good. Not able to solve your question, take help from somebody, understand it, note it down, and then that's okay. Don't lose your self-confidence. Nobody is perfect. Because if you lose your self-confidence, you will be feeling sad. Ultimately, your 1 or 2 days will get wasted. Ultimately, your 1 or 2 or 3 days will get wasted. So your time is getting wasted, and time is money nowadays. Time is very precious. So don't do this. Don't lose your confidence at any cost. Let there be any person saying anything, don't get distracted, don't lose your confidence. Okay, so next point is, don't waste your time in least important topics. There will be some topics which are very least important, which never actually come, or come for only 1 mark, or that too also in 2-3 years. Don't waste time on these topics right now. If time permits, study it in the end, go in the exam. Don't waste time right now. For example, in chemistry, metallurgy and soil analysis and so on, don't waste time in these topics right now. First, complete the important things which are left with you, like revision, most important topics, test series and so on, PYQs. Do these and don't waste time on very least important topics. And the last but not the least, I would say most important, is don't compare yourself with anybody else. There might be the case that your friends must have completed the syllabus by now. They must have started revising, or there will be some people also who have revised 1 or 2 times. Don't start comparing, because you will be feeling bad from inside. You will be feeling bad from inside. You will be having guilty or regrets of having wasted your time, or having not studied. So don't do these things. Don't compare, because if you start comparing, your confidence will be lost. Your time will be wasted, you will be very sad, so energy will be gone. So you cannot focus, you cannot do 100%. So please don't compare, study on your pace, give your best. So this was all from my side. And do comment your feedback, do share the channel, do support the channel, keep supporting. We will see you in the later video. Till then, stay tuned with Chemistry with Karan. Thank you so much.